My lobster tagliatelle. She's got honey chicken. Yummy, yummy. And a beautiful view. So it was our last morning in Nungwi, and after a late breakfast / lunch, we stopped off in Kendwa on our way down to Zanzibar City. Matata. So we're on Kendwa Beach now. This is absolutely stunning. The sea is ridiculously blue and the sand is pure white. This is by far the most beautiful beach I've ever been on. It is stunning. It was a perfect place to fly the new drone, but this being my first flight, the footage is pretty shaky.
You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive.
After an hour or so drive, we arrived in Zanzibar City, and after checking into our hotel, we took a walk around Stone Town.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
So we found a little rooftop bar and we stopped for a little bit of a pick-me-up. Stone Town got a bit hairy, so now I've got these stunning views. Well, okay views. So we're the only ones on the rooftop. So later on we found this night market which had loads of different food stalls, and it was a really cute place to go, just to soak up the atmosphere and the culture. It was right by the sea and it was sunset, so it would have been a good place to try out some local food, but we actually had a dinner reservation, so we didn't try any of the food, but it was good to walk around nevertheless. So the next morning we took a traditional dhow boat to Prison Island, otherwise known as Canggu Island, and we saw a very packed boat full of fishermen on the way. So this is Prison Island, or Canggu Island is the local name. 6,323 miles to London.
Maybe between 20 or 25 eggs, and then those eggs they stay with 3 months before being hatched out, and maybe half of them will be fertilized to young ones. Okay, they are very friendly. You can just touch them, feel them like this, you know.
God.
Then you can feed them.
Likes a little stroke, didn't you? So this guy is 132 years old. And he's having a little sleep. Broken, is that
Yeah, I think it fell because sometimes they just move blindly, you know?
Hello. Food. Just made it. So cute. Good little mover for 133, aren't you? I was gonna say. After feeding the giant tortoises, we visited the prison that Prison Island gets its name from.
This is a prison cell. It looks like this.
Wow.
But then when this has been turned into a hotel, they make some other use with it.
Still not bad for a prison cell. Yeah, it's pretty okay. This is one of the prison cells.
And then they turned this into a library when this was a hotel. And that one, they turn it into a boutique.
So this is the prison. It's a pretty fancy prison, to be honest. Pretty fancy pants. Not a bad view for a prisoner.
Shower.
Okay.
For the prisoners.
Yeah. So straight into the sea.
That's right, exactly. And then...
You would like it. I know. So after we left the island and we returned back to Zanzibar City, we were taken to a really traditional restaurant which was part of our tour package.